I'm Stephanie, and I came to see Dr. Teams after getting a head injury a few months ago. Before that, though, I had struggled with lots of autoimmune issues and chronic joint pain for decades. I had seen multiple specialists across the country, different in every facet that you can think of, every area of expertise that you can think of, and still struggled. A few years ago, I started working with a naturopath and was diagnosed CDC positive for Lyme disease and made some progress there. But when I got my head injury, I just couldn't get better from my head injury, and I was struggling with memory issues. Someone would ask me in the afternoon what I did in the morning, and I wouldn't be able to remember without thinking really hard. I couldn't multitask any longer. I couldn't do simple math in my head. I couldn't count out change. If I was paying with cash, I would just have to hand my money and have the attendant count it out for me. I used to be a super multitask ninja, and I just couldn't do any of that. I couldn't do any of the researching that I used to do. I could understand technical concepts really easily, and I was struggling with all of that. And headaches, vertigo, nausea, all of the symptoms that come with a head injury. And I came in and saw Dr. Teams and immediately started to see results. I couldn't believe how quickly my memory returned and the vertigo went away, and I was able to do math again and multitask. And I would say that I'm probably 90% right now, which I never, after 5-6 months of struggling with the head injury and everything I was going through, I never thought that I would see myself back to normal again, and I'm so grateful for that. And probably the biggest payday for me was when my 12-year-old daughter said to me, "Mom, you remembered where we parked. You're the adult again." And so I'm back to being the responsible adult and can take care of my family and myself, and looking forward to getting back to work. And the other benefit is that he's also been able to address my autoimmune issues and my inflammation, my chronic joint pain, in ways that other doctors never have been able to get to the bottom of it and really have relief. I'm finally able to be pain-free for long periods of time after struggling with it for decades. So I do highly recommend Dr. Teams and the team